This bird can mimic almost any sound. A shutter click from a camera. Car alarm. A chainsaw. And even the sound of a laser gun. Meet the lyrebird. There are two species of these ground-dwelling Australian birds, the superb lyrebird and the Albert's lyrebird. They are notable for their impressive ability to mimic natural and artificial sounds from their environment, and the striking beauty of the male's huge tail, used as a courtship display. They can grow up to 1 meter, or 40 inches long, and weigh about 900 grams. They are omnivorous. Their diet includes insects, small reptiles, and seeds. Unfortunately, their numbers have plunged after losing half of their habitats in the Australian bushfire, and firefighters reported being joined by lyrebirds while sheltering in the mine shafts during the bushfire.